Hello, my name is Wayne Weineck from BPA and waterproofing is our passion.
Hello, my name is Adrian Flieger from BPA, and together with my colleague we would like to give you some information about Silver Seal.
So Silver Seal is a very lightweight membrane. It weighs 480 grams per square meter and can very easily be applied, pre-applied and post-applied to the concrete. On the other side, it has a very strong fleece on the back of it that is self-sealing. It heals by itself so that no water can penetrate and no lateral water movement can go behind the concrete.
What do you mean with self-sealing, swelling and self-healing?
And just to show you how the gel works, you can see here when it comes in contact with water, you have a gel on the surface.
It's like a wax?
Like a wax, and it will seal the concrete and go into any cracks or anything on the surface or any pores in the surface and make it absolutely watertight.
What have you prepared here, Wayne, for us?
So Adrian, here we have a demonstration of a tube filled with water. As you can see, there is water inside here. We have applied a Silver Seal membrane in between here, and underneath here we have another hole where we are going to puncture it with a knife to show how Silver Seal works. And show how easy it is, although the knife goes straight through and it's moving around inside there.
Would you please take the knife out?
And as you can
Indeed,
see,
no single water drop is coming out. So what's actually happened in here?
so what has happened in this case, normally you would have it between the concrete and the ground. You would push the Silver Seal against the concrete. Here we don't have that pressure, but even though we don't have any pressure in this area, it is absolutely watertight because the gel has swelled and made it absolutely watertight.
Great show, thank you, Wayne. This was very impressive.
So the application areas, we can use either pre-apply the material or post-application. If you want to do a pre-application to the surface, what you can do is, before the concrete is poured, you can then take the Silver Seal and apply it to the framework. So all you need is a stapling gun, for example. You shoot it onto the surface and it is bonded. Even though you have holes in the Silver Seal, that's no problem. If water does come through there, it will self-seal and protect and no water can go through.
Even according to the German regulation, we have tested this application procedure. So even with this application procedure, it's tested up to 5 bar water pressure.
So alternatively, as I said beforehand, you can post-apply the Silver Seal to the surface. And what you would do is you can then attach the Silver Seal onto the concrete like this. The fleece would be facing the concrete. And you can take a nailing gun, for example, a nail like this. The nail is then shot through the membrane and into the concrete. And when water does come and go through this hole, the fleece will swell and will become absolutely watertight.
We call this loose applied. So it's loose laid, loose applied, post applied, but we can also apply it using Zemdicht 3-in-1, flexible cementitious coating, and then we have a fully bonded application post applied. Yep. That's what we have tested as well. In some cases, it's helpful having this possibility available.